Welcome back. We are making the birds in the air block. Now this little block will finish at 6.5 inches. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your fabrics. Your background will be 15 3.5 inch squares, and for the blue dot you'll have 15 3.5 inch squares, and you're going to make 30 half square triangles. Now you've been making half square triangles since month 2, so you're a pro at that, so we're not going to cover that again, but if you need a refresher, visit month 2 for that one. Next you're going to cut 6 by 7/8 squares. You're going to cut them once on the diagonal. That'll give you these big cream triangles. And then you're going to be cutting 15 2 7/8 inch triangles, squares, cutting them once on the diagonal so that you get smaller blue triangles. So you're going to lay out your pieces like the diagram. You're going to be using 3 half square triangles and 3 smaller blue dot triangles, and then you're going to lay them in columns. So you're going to sew 2 half square triangles together, and then you're going to sew a half square triangle to a blue dot triangle. So when you're lining up your triangles to your half square triangle, you ask yourself, what's the point? We've got a point right there. See, we have this nice 90-degree angle, so we're going to line up that 90-degree angle just like that. And then we're going to do our 1/4 inch seam along that line, and then press the seams as the arrow indicates. So when we have all of our columns sewn, we're going to sew the columns together. So you'll sew this triangle on, and then you'll sew this unit to this column. So what you're going to end up with is a beautiful blue dot and cream half square triangle piece. You'll take your large triangle from the cream fabric and you're going to line it point to point. Ease any differences, sew your 1/4 inch seam, and voila, you've got a beautiful birds in the air block. Now when you're making your block, you're going to be ending up with 1 extra triangle and 1 extra half square triangle. Don't throw those away or put them in your miscellaneous box, because you are going to need 30 half square triangles, because you'll be making 10 of these 6.5 inch units. All right, thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video.